Thinking of taking that next step with your business? Or maybe you're still in the planning stages, eager to dive into the exciting world of entrepreneurship. Either way, you might be wondering about one important aspect: the registered agent. Before we go over what a registered agent is, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. You know, over 60% of new businesses in the US fail within their first 3 years. And while there are a lot of factors at play, ensuring that you stay compliant with state requirements is a significant one. And that's where a registered agent comes in. Now, if you're scratching your head wondering, what's a registered agent? Let's break it down together. A registered agent is an individual or a business entity that's officially designated to receive legal documents and notices on behalf of your company. Think of them as your business's point of contact with the state. And in Florida, having a registered agent isn't just a good idea, it's necessary. Every business entity that's formed or does business in Florida needs to designate a registered agent who has a physical street address in the state. This way, the state can make sure there's always a reliable way to contact your business. So why choose our organization as your partner in this? Well, we are not only experienced, but we're also the #1 registered agent service in the nation. We take pride in making sure that all the crucial notices and documents are promptly delivered to you. This ensures you never miss any critical deadlines and keeps your business running smoothly. Now, you might be thinking, there are several registered agents out there. Why us? For starters, we've been in the game for a long time and have helped thousands of businesses, big and small, stay compliant. Our reliability, attention to detail, and dedication to our clients are unmatched. And let's face it, in the fast-paced world of business, having a trusted partner can make all the difference. So, whether you're taking the first steps in your business journey or you're an established entity looking for a change, our organization is here for you, ready to help, ready to support, ready to partner with you as your registered agent in the Sunshine State. To set up a world-class registered agent service for your business ASAP, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to access our agent services over the phone by dialing 877-955-7111. Also, what is your opinion on registered agents? Does it make sense to you why having an agent is a government requirement for so many businesses? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.